bot if you're new. If you are returning or a new subscriber, thanks for clicking on this video. Welcome back. I'm so glad to have you. So today's video is all about this look right here, specifically about how I got my eyebrows to coordinate with my hair color. As someone who loves to switch up my hair color often, the style, things like that, I don't want to make any permanent decisions as far as bleaching or dyeing my own personal eyebrows. So because of that, I found a way to achieve a colored eyebrow look without having to commit to it being permanent. So if that's something that interests you, stay tuned for this video. Hi guys, I am back. So right here I'm using my favorite foundation, and that's the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation. I will be listing most of my products on the screen as the video continues. Then I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. By far, I love this concealer, and I love the combination with the Charlotte Tilbury Radiant Concealer. Game changer for sure. Then I'm using my Fenty Matchstick, and this is in the color Espresso. Check the links down below in the description box because I will have links to everything that I'm using and that I'm listing on the screen. But I'm going through with my typical face routine. So initially, I started off by using the brow freeze just to set my brow hairs in place. Then I'm going to go in with the star of today's show, which is the Rare Beauty Brow Harmony Pencil and Gel. So how I like to use it, because my eyebrows are a different color, they are like a natural or a soft black color, or very dark brown I should say. I go in with the gel portion first, the gel side first, and while I'm blending out the rest of my makeup, like my concealer and such, I'm letting that gel just kind of lay on my brows to get warm up to my skin, I should say. So I'm letting the gel color settle onto my skin as I go in and I set with my setting powder, my translucent setting powder, and everything else. Then I go back with the pencil and I start to define my shape, because as you remember, if you've seen some of my other videos, I did discuss how I haven't really been maintaining my brows. So because of that, I have to perfect my shape, and then I go in with concealer and I really go ahead and perfect the shape. So this product is really a game changer because it can give you the color, the pigment that you want without having to use any kind of dye. And I was so pleased that it did, cover my black brows without me having to actually lighten them or anything like that. So very pleased with the product. And right here I'm just blending the concealer out. I'm going to use a combination of my concealer brush and my foundation brush, and then I'm going to go and just keep perfecting that shape, because with brows, with makeup in general, but especially with your brows, sometimes when you're using powders and stuff, the shape gets all jacked up. So then I go back in with the gel and I go over it again. So I go over my brows again, because again, I want to make sure that color is concealed and that it matches and it blends well. And I was really impressed with the product. I really like it. I use this product when I have kind of like a ginger color, or like a darker brown, and I don't want my brows to be like black brows or dark brown brows, and then I have such lighter color hair. So yeah, this product works really well. I'm going in and I'm doing the rest of my makeup, adding my blush, contouring, I'm adding my setting powder, setting powder for all over my face, and then I decided to add some more eyeshadow just to make the color pop a little bit more, because before I went in just with my regular bronzer. Then I'm using another favorite, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner, and I'm going in, I'm doing like a little baby wing, not too dramatic, because I really wanted the focus to be on my brows and the hair. Okay, and then I just go in and I prep my lashes with some mascara before adding on my falsies. Still perfecting my shape, cleaning it up, making sure it looks nice. I did think it would be cool to add a little pop of color in my lash line, my bottom lash line, so I'm going in with this really pretty blue color And this is from the Lisa Frank and Morphe collab palette. So I was just using 2 combinations of blue in there. It was like a sparkly blue and a matte blue. And then I'm just adding my falsies on top. Then I go in with this pretty peach, orangish type pinkish color, and I add that as an inner corner highlight. I really thought it would go well with the blue on my lash line, and I really like how the look turned out. I forgot to do my lips on camera, but I just did a brown nude lip. So yeah, that's how I get my eyebrows to coordinate with my hair when it's colored a different color other than my natural black color. And I hope that you learned something throughout the process of this video. Stay tuned and check out some of my other videos while you're here. I do have a series on my channel called Megan's Makeup Moments, and in that series I'll just be sharing a ton of things regarding makeup, some makeup tricks, some tips, things that I wish I knew when I was first getting into makeup. So if that interests you, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, as well as hit the subscribe button. Yes, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell as well. Make sure that you're clicking notify for all notifications, because I want you to be notified every time I upload a new video. My videos typically go live on Tuesdays and Fridays at 12 p.m. Eastern time. So yeah, hit that notification bell, because I don't want you to have to try to remember like, oh, that's when I need to come back and look on her channel to make sure she has something up. If you hit the notification bell, it'll notify you, hey, Megan's got a new video, and go check that out. Also, I would love to chat with you in the comments. So let me know if you have a different tip or a different trick that you use to sculpt your eyebrows when you have your hair colored. So yeah, thanks for tuning into this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Mwah!